Did you take a photo and want to add the location where it was taken? With your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can easily take photos with location information even after you have taken them. Let's quickly go over how to do that in the Gallery app. First, open Gallery app. Select the photo you want to add a location to. Swipe up on the photo to open its detail. Tap Edit. Next, tap the plus icon next to the location section to add a location. Choose the correct location from the suggestion or manually place the pin on the map. Once you have selected the location, tap Done button. As you can see, your photo now has the location information tag and you can share it with others. Tap Save to save the change. Given to the function, adding a location to a photo can be a great way to remember where you were when you took it. Whether you are taking photos for travel or just want to keep track or memories, this feature on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is easy to use and adds more context to your images. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.